In this video, I will discuss how to implement full subtractor using 3:8 line decoder. Implementation of full subtractor using 3:8 line decoder with active high outputs and active low enable input. So we supposed to design or implement full subtractor, and we should use the decoder 3:8 decoder which has active high output, and we should consider active low enable input. So before implementation, first I will try to get the difference and borrow expression for decoder using truth table. Now let me write the truth table. So for subtractor, we know that A, B are the two inputs, and we need one more input, borrow input, and the outputs are difference and borrow. That is, for subtractor we have three inputs. Let me assume A, B and B in are the inputs. Let me assume difference and borrow are the outputs of subtractor. First let me write the truth table. So here we have three inputs. These three are inputs, and here difference and borrow are the outputs. So we have three inputs. The possible inputs are, we have 0, 0, 0. So its decimal equivalent is 0. 1, that is 0, 0, 1. 2 is 0, 1, 0. 3 is 0, 1, 1. 4 is 1, 0, 0. 5 is 1, 0, 1. 6 is 1, 1, 0. And 7 is 1, 1, 1. So now let me write the possible outputs. So 0, 0, 0. In this case, difference is 0, borrow is 0. So 0, 0, 0 minus 0 minus 1 is nothing but difference will be 1 and borrow will be 1. 0, 1, 0. Here also we have difference is 1, borrow is 1. So in 0, 1, 1 we have 0 minus 1 is difference is 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. It is 0, borrow is 1. 1, 0, 0 is difference is 1, borrow is 0. In 1, 0, 1 it is difference is 0 and borrow is 0, because 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1, 1, 0, that is 1 minus 1 is 0, that is 0 and 0. Here 1 minus 1 is 0, difference is 0. 0 minus 1, that is difference is 1 and borrow is 1. So now we have written the truth table. So now let me write the min terms, or we can write the expression for difference and borrow. Let me write in terms of min term. So in difference column, here we have 1. We have to consider only the rows which are having 1. Here we have 1, here we have 1, and here we have 1. So I can write the difference equation in terms of min term as D is equal to summation m. Min terms are here 1. This is with respect to decimal 1. We have 1. So here we have 1 which is with respect to 2. 1, 2. And here we have 1 which is with respect to 4. And here we have 1 with respect to 7. So this is the min term for difference, and for borrow I can write it as B is equal to, here we have that is 1. So we have 1, and here we have 1 that is 2. So this is with respect to 3, and here we have 1 which is with respect to 7. So once we write the min terms of for difference and borrow, now we'll draw the circuit. So this is 3:8 decoder in which it has active high outputs and active low input. That is what said in the problem. That is, we supposed to consider active high output and active low enable input. So here all the outputs are active high and it is active low enable input, because there is a bubble. These three are inputs. So on each line there are corresponding the variables or the values I have written for understanding purpose. So here difference is nothing but 1, 2, 4, 7. So the corresponding lines we have to take. So this is 1, 2, we have 1, 2, 4, 7. this is 4 and this is 7. So these all outputs are connected to OR gate. Connect all these to OR gate. So output of this is difference, that is D. So now similarly we have borrow, that is summation M 1, 2, 3, 7. So from 1, 2, 3 and 7 outputs are connected to another OR gate. The output of that is borrow. So this is, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 7. So we have 1, this is 1. So 1, we have 2, this is 2. And we have 3 here. And we have 7 here. This is 7. The output of this is borrow. So this is the implementation of full subtractor using 3:8 decoder. Thank you for watching.